welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to discuss how poor drainage damages your home foundation. As a homeowner, I have seen lot of things that impact your house, so I'm going to discuss this very important topic. So guys, poor drainage around your home is really a very bad thing. This needs to be fixed because many homeowners ignore water flow around their property unless an issue surfaces. Because water is one of the biggest threats to your foundation. When rainwater or melting snow collects near your house, it seeps into soil around the foundation. Over time, this causes cracks in your foundation wall, basement leaks, mold growth, and structural weakening. So that will increase your energy bills, right? Weak foundation maintenance cost, right? Basement leakage additional cost, right? In winter, what happens is water freezes and expands. This creates additional pressure on concrete. So downspouts that discharge water too close to the house are a very common mistake. And about this topic, I have made various videos also, that why your water should go away from the house, not immediately. Okay, especially during winter, it's very important. You should remove that snow. Okay. Grading is also very critical. The ground should slope away from the house, not toward it, so that water that falls should go away from the house, especially if it is covered with concrete or interlocking. Okay. So what I would recommend, extend downspout at least few feet away from the house. Your gutters should be cleaned regularly. Okay. Pooling water after rain is a threat. Make sure it does not happen. Visible cracks, if you see any kind of visible crack, even a hairline crack, keep an eye and fix it as early as possible. Because if you go for foundation repair later on after a significant damage, that could cost you thousands of dollars. Preventive maintenance activities cost much less. So if you have certain areas where water is forming regularly, get them fixed as early as possible by showing it to an expert. Because if that doesn't happen, you are in for a huge cost. And yes, drainage, it has to be taken very seriously. If your downspout is not working, broken, or rain gutters, make sure you get them fixed as early as possible. They are highly critical. This is how it works, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this, and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.